Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Remove ribbon and media. Loosen the printhead mounting screw. Open the printhead. Pull the printhead out of the printer. Slide the new printhead into the printhead connector until it stops. Push the printhead up to meet the guideposts. Close the printhead. Tighten the printhead mounting screw. Open the printhead. Clean the new printhead. Close the printhead. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer.